What would you want in your life right now? A more luxurious lifestyle. Maybe $100 million. Yes, it sounds incredible, doesn't it? But what if you were given all that money with only one condition? You won't wake up tomorrow morning. The price of that money is your existence. Would you still accept it? Probably not, because the life you have is more precious than anything you desire. Here's a truth you need to pause and consider. We often chase more, but forget to appreciate what we already have. Time, health, breath. These are treasures that can't be measured with money, and the moment you realize that, the true meaning of life changes for you. Wanting more isn't wrong. Dreaming and setting goals are the fuel of life, but what matters is where you spend that fuel, what you use it for. Are you aware of the things that give meaning to your life? Or have you become a slave to the goals you're chasing? Many of us search for success and happiness outside ourselves. A new house, a new car, a big sum of money. But happiness actually begins inside us, in our minds. Our life shapes itself by how we nourish our mind. Now, let me share a secret. Your mind is the greatest engineer of your life. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs together build the architecture of your life. If you feed your mind with positive, strong, and determined sentences, your life will shape accordingly. Affirmations are powerful for exactly this reason. They are the messages you send to your mind. When repeated consistently, your brain accepts these messages as reality and breaks the negative patterns in your life. They unlock the potential within you. Maybe right now you're telling yourself, "I'm not successful. I'm not good enough. Success is far from me." These thoughts are the chains that keep you where you are, but changing them is in your hands. Now, take a deep breath and slowly repeat these sentences. I am valuable and loved. Every day, in every way, I'm getting better and better. My past does not define me. Today is a new beginning. Success and happiness come to me easily. Within me lies infinite strength and potential. Say these not just as words, but feel them from your heart. Because true transformation begins when it is fueled by emotions. Remember, life is the sum of small moments. Waking up every morning and telling yourself positive words, going to bed with gratitude. These small habits lead you to a great change. Every morning you wake up is a miracle. When you open your eyes, a new page, a new opportunity stands before you. But this page is written only by the thoughts inside your mind. If you fill this page with fear, doubt, and negativity, your life will be shaded in these dark tones. But if you fill it with courage, hope, and love, your life will brighten and flourish. Never underestimate the power of your mind. Every thought is a seed. It either grows beautiful flowers or weeds in the garden of your life. What seeds are you planting today? Your future is a reflection of your current thoughts. That's why, if you want real change in your life, change your mind first. What you tell yourself, how you feel, and what you believe. These are the pillars of your life. Strengthen them, nourish them, and most importantly, believe in them. And remember, no change happens instantly. With patience, persistence, and small but determined steps every day, reprogram your mind. Because great transformations are the sum of small habits. You are the architect of your own life. You hold the pen of your story. Now take that pen and start writing your most beautiful story. Life is waiting for you. Your potential is limitless. It's time to unlock it. Now is the time to decide. What will you do for a better life? Just dream or take action and reprogram your mind. The power is within you. Every new day is a new beginning. Your potential is limitless. Now is the time to unleash it.